I thought that was a whale over there, but it's either a seal over there by that catamaran. A big ass seal went underneath that boat over there. Looked like a fucking whale. Ain't no whale. It's a big old fat seal over there trying to get a Scooby snack. Another beautiful day here, folks. Plaza Bonita. My goodness. But special treat for y'all. I'm about to displace to a place a little closer to the beach, a little more fitting for a king. You're gonna be surprised. I'm telling you, you're gonna be shocked when you see this next spot I'm going to. So stay tuned for this series of videos here in Cabo San Lucas, beautiful country of Mexico. All right, folks, just rolling up the hill here, but we didn't want to get a sweat on, so jump this taxi here with my buddy, and we're gonna roll up this hill back towards Mangoes, back towards the beach over there, and check out this massage spot. Okay, so we get in the dog's van, and he can't get it started. The key won't turn forward. It's like locked, and he's like putting it up in there, and the thing turned into a fucking sauna. Like, dude, we got to get out of here, man. He pops a hood. Like, dude, we can't wait on you to fix your shit. You can't even start the goddamn van, man. We can't wait, brother. So we are humping it out just up that hill right there. But you know, what my buddy said, the sun is fucking brutal. So as long as you just get these little shaded areas, it ain't no big deal. I said, dude, just hit the fucking shade, zoom right up the hill. But we had to get out of the Kuya's van. He couldn't get that shit started. My goodness. Ooh, nail bar and spa. Ooh, I need a manicure pedicure. Stroke unit, medical response. Nice ambulance there. Hola. Hola, mijo. ¿Cómo está? Estoy bien, estoy bien.
Baja California. Hey, amigo, do you want to check out another view where you can take some excellent pictures?
No, thank you, my friend. No, thank you, but thanks for the offer.
And let me show you.
All right, tengo cuidado.
Amigo, have you checked out the rooftop 360?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Oh, you already been to the rooftop 360?
Yeah, I gotta go meet my wife. Folks, headed down to Mango Deck. And if you saw yesterday's video or the day before, the ladies push-up contest. My gosh, mi corazón eso duele. Speaking of that, here's Corazon Resort and Spa. Off to the starboard side of this here aircraft. Gentleman here selling some cowboy hats. Oh, nice hats, my friend. Yeah, I need one of them cowboy hats. Got a beautiful lady over to the port side. And just look at this view. Now the arch is out there somewhere, but admittedly, we haven't been to the arch yet. I don't know if we will. I'm sure everybody comes here and wants to visit the arch, take a picture. All right, so just a look around. You got a little liquor store going on here. All kind of, wow, Fatima would look beautiful in that right there. I'm certain that she would. Okay, so I'm back to the massage, the best massage in Cabo. Hello, my friend. Yeah, no thank you, brother. All right, I think I'm headed down to the beach. Just head back to Mangoes. Get me a drink, because my partner is in there getting a massage, you know, legitimate massage at that spot back there. 40 an hour, or it's, no, what is it, 40 for an hour or 50 for 90 minutes. So you do get a break at that place. You get 10 bucks off. Look at that, no cruise ship up in port right now. At least I don't see a cruise ship. All right, on to Milky Beach. Okay, so here we are, Milky Beach. Folks, I gotta come down here and show you how clear this water is. Oh my God, the water here in Mexico, I mean, anybody's been to Mexico, I'm not telling you something you don't know, but this water here is clear as a swimming pool. I mean, it really is. It's just like swimming pool water. You know, buddy of mine went to, Puerto Vallarta. So that water was so dirty, he couldn't get in the water. But the water here is just so clear, man, like a swimming pool. I haven't seen the first jellyfish It's just like getting in a warm swimming pool. It's just delightful. And I'm coming up on Mango's deck. But let me just take you down here. Let me just take you down here and show you this water. Look at how clear this is. Just wade off in here. Look at this. Lord have mercy. It's just clear all the way out. Oh, Lord. Oh, don't get my money wet. Oh shit, little rip current taking the dog out. Okay, so just to give you a look around, this is Mango's deck, where we were at yesterday. They just pull up right here. You need a taxi, a glass bottom taxi. But I'm not in the market for a taxi or a jet ski. I'm gonna be honest with you, I think the main draw to Cabo is this. I mean, there's so many things to come here and do. Overall, things are pretty expensive here. Maybe not on the American scale, but this water right here is what makes this place. You want to come down here on a budget? Well, just stay in the freaking water all day, especially if it's wintertime up there. This is just like a beautiful swimming pool. Drink some beer. That's the most beautiful thing I think about Cabo. It's a beautiful beach. Hard to walk flip-flops in the sand. Whoa, yeah, daddy. Messing with the nature boy. Dude, backing her up, backing her up. Folks, it may not look like big waves. These waves come in, it's coming up, and it will literally drag your ass out back into the deep right there. Yeah, small kids, it just takes them out. Not to crash a good party, but somebody's getting married over here behind me. What a perfect wedding. Right on the beach with this view. My buddy had a beach on the wedding, Panama City Beach. It was beautiful. They were like wearing white shirts, barefoot. Whoever the groom is, it's not too late to back out, man. Don't do it. If you're in Mexico, dude, just make a break for the street. I'll meet you at the taxi. We'll be up in Tijuana before anybody knows it, man. Don't do it. Got a little mariachi band. Gonna try to crash the party as well. Yes, I'm just taking a walk down to the end. I gotta figure out how to get up to the street. Come back up on the street level, see what's shaking up that way. But yeah, some poor bastard's about to tie the knot, end his life as he knows it. Don't do it, man. See, here you go. Watch this. This stuff comes up here, it'll just drag you out. It'll knock you over if you're not paying attention. Successfully sort of made it, I don't say to the end of the beach, but there's a cut right here. There's a couple little bars. Okay, so yeah, I can walk back up to the road, but it looks so hot over there. I think I'm just gonna walk back down the beach. It's just straight out sunshine. This is the end of my road. This little cut right here. This dog will post up in Mango's. A little band going on here. Yeah, about to get set up and rock it out. Okay, so back at the wedding, everybody's on their feet. Got a crowd of people around, everybody's filming. Oh, they're getting married. I see the bride and the groom all dressed up in, looks like white linen maybe. Looks like the guy's going through with it. In front of all the good people of Cabo San Lucas, their friends, guests, and everybody at these bars. Oh shit, including myself. They're doing it. They're doing the deed. So look at that rip current. There we go. It's beautiful. Shout out to you, man. I was just kidding earlier about backing out. Don't do that. Life's too short to be unhappy. You love somebody, take a risk. Better to have loved and lost than to have never loved at all. So good luck. Good luck to the happy couple. Beautiful lady. She's either Mexican or Thai, maybe a Latina. Beautiful lady, lucky man. Rocking it out on the beach. Rocking that tuba. Somebody had to play that over the PI. Instead of doing vidjoki, just play the tuba. I was gonna hit the bar, but I just got me 2 cold beers, 50 pesos, 50 pesos. Here it's pesos. Philippines, you say pesos. So 50 pesos, that's $3. So $1.50 a beer here at this little shop while I'm waiting on my homeboy to get a massage. I said, you know what, why go down there and pay, you know, $8, whatever it is. I just sit out here on this bench with this beautiful lady, drink my beer, wait on my homeboy. That's good. You know why? It's brewed in Mexico, not brewed in China. I don't even know the name of it, but it's across from Senor Frog's and La Vaquita. And I got me tacos. What I got? I don't even know what I got, but this beautiful lady taught me, and it's coming and sitting down. I got me a cold Dos Equis. My buddy's getting a Subway just to get some gringo food, but I had to go with the asada. That's what I got. I think I got 4 asada, or you could get 5 tacos al pastor, but I went with the 4 asada. I'll show you in a minute. Ooh, beautiful white girls over there. What can I do? I'll show you all that when we get back to the crib. But that smells good. Gracias, senora. Gracias. Right there. Oh yeah, look at that. My goodness, what's going on here? Yeah, folks, got a little takeout. Time to go back to the crib. Get my drink on. And go see them. I gotta go see one of my newfound friends at an undisclosed location. I told her I was coming back last night. I said I'll be back in 20 minutes. She said, are you coming back? I said, baby, I'm coming back like a bad dream. But we intentionally put them on ice, but we're going back tonight. So last night they cussing us. Tonight they're gonna be like, oh, me Dios. So that's what we got going down. Look at that beautiful, beautiful cup of coffee right here at the fountain. Oh, heck yeah. Sitting here by the fountain enjoying some coffee in the morning. Oh, so life is good. Life is all about what you make it. Little coffee shop right here in Plaza Bonita. Got me a good cup of joe after a night of beer drinking. There's your little spot right here. Beautiful lady working. Another hot, sunny, beautiful day here in Cabo. But I gotta work on some footage. So instead of drinking beer today, I just gotta drink a little bit of coffee, cup of joe, an Americano, 45 Mexican pesos. Look at our front door here. Whoa, a couple bikinis rolling through. My goodness. My goodness. What can I do? Beautiful.